So this is substitution, this is elimination. So what I prefer is to go on with the elimination, because you need to have same terms and you just cross it out. And I can give you the example of how to do elimination method, but it depends on the question. It's not like that you have to use elimination, because there will be sometimes the question which will be talking about that you have to use substitution. So you have to only use substitution, not elimination, otherwise you will lose marks. So I'm showing in this video how to do this question by elimination. So in this question, which you can see, there are two equations. One is 5x minus 2y equals negative 23, and second equation is 5x minus 6y equals negative 39. We already know that in the x coefficient in both of the equation 5 is there, but all those two terms are in plus. But in order to cancel out, we need a negative sign, because plus 5x minus 5x will give us 0, right? So what you have to do is, just when you see a positive sign, you just need to use the inverse of it, and you have to use negative. So here it was positive, so I inverse it to get negative. Here it was negative, so the inverse of this would be positive, and here it is negative, so here would be positive as well. And you just need to do a simple addition problems and subtraction problems after all. So this is negative and plus, so we will cancel it out. Here it is plus 6y minus 2y, which gives you 4y. And here it's plus 39 minus 23. So you can just do a simple, you can put on your calculator. So you can just do 39 minus 23, which will give you 16. So this is 16. And then y would be 16 by 4, which will be giving you y equals 4. But the question hasn't been finished. We have only found out one of the y values, which is 4. But the question says to find x and y. So we have a y value, but still we need to find the x value as well. So we need to substitute this y value into one of your equation. Either you can choose the first equation or the second equation. So I'm choosing for the first equation, but you can choose second as well. So I substituted 5x plus minus, it's minus, sorry. $5x minus 2, and I substituted this 4 in place of y, equals negative 23. 5x, here negative 2 times 4 is negative 8, equals negative 23. 5x equals negative 23 plus 8. Now here 5x, so it will be negative 15, because negative 23 has negative, so it's much higher. So negative plus is negative, so that's negative 15, and x would be negative 3. So we have found out the question, and you can also verify it by putting on these two values, and you will see that it is negative 23. And I can also show you how to do this. So just give me a minute. I'm just raising all. Okay, so we have y equals 4 and x equals negative 3. So you can just check it by putting these two values into the second equation. So 5 negative 3 minus 6 negative 4. So it's not negative, it's positive, sorry, equals, we have to say, so 5, it's negative 15 minus 24, and this gives us negative 39. So this verifies from here, because we need to get negative 39. So we have got negative 39. Hence we are done with this question. So I will be posting one more video on the substitution as well, so you can get more clear updates, and after that you will have a broader context of substitution as well. And after substitution, I will be also upgrading the level to level 8 or 9, where the questions can come with the quadratic equations as well. So stay tuned for the more updates, and I will be posting more videos on simultaneous equations by today or by tomorrow. Thank you.